Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Ads Manager errors. So first, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Restart your router if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Step 2, update your browser or application. For desktop users, use the latest version of a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues. Step 3, clear cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to your browser settings, select Privacy and Security, clear browsing data, check cache and cookies, then click Clear Data. Log back into Ads Manager and check if the issue is resolved. Next, check for system outages. Visit Metastatus to see if Facebook Ads Manager is experiencing outages. 6. Use an incognito window. Open Ads Manager in an incognito or private browsing window. This prevents browser extensions or cookies from interfering. And then last is contact Facebook support. If none of the above solutions work, go to the Help Center in Ads Manager, click on Contact Support, describe the issue and include screenshots if necessary. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.